Is electric shock dangerous and how can you avoid it? Imagine touching a wire and feeling a sudden jolt. That's an electric shock. But how dangerous is it really? To understand, we need to look at what electricity does to our bodies and how we can stay safe. Electricity flows in the form of electrical current, which is the movement of electrons through a conductor. When this current passes through your body, it can interfere with your body's normal functions. The danger depends on how much voltage and current are involved, the type of current, whether it is alternating or direct, and how long you are exposed. It also depends on the path the electricity takes through your body and your body's resistance, which varies from person to person. When electric current travels through your body, it can cause muscles to contract uncontrollably. These muscle spasms can sometimes lead to broken bones or dislocated joints. If the current reaches your heart, it can cause irregular heartbeats, known as arrhythmias, or even stop your heart altogether, which can be fatal. The muscles that control breathing can also be affected, leading to breathing difficulties or respiratory arrest. Electric shocks can also cause burns on your skin and deeper tissues. Sometimes these burns are severe enough to requiring medical treatment or even amputation. Internal organs and blood vessels can be damaged, leading to bleeding or organ failure. Besides the internal injuries, sudden muscle contractions or loss of balance during a shock can cause falls, which might result in fractures or other injuries. Short-term effects of electric shock include pain, tingling sensations, headaches, seizures, or loss of consciousness. Long-term effects can involve nerve damage, memory problems, anxiety, muscle stiffness, and fatigue. To avoid electric shock, always keep your hands dry and avoid touching exposed wires or electrical parts when you are standing on wet surfaces. Water conducts electricity and makes shocks more likely. Use tools with proper insulation and wear protective gear like gloves and goggles when working with electricity. Make sure electrical devices and wiring are maintained properly and meet safety standards. Do not overload outlets or circuits, as this increases the risk of electrical faults. Keep appliances away from water sources and turn off the power at the main switch before repairing or inspecting electrical systems. Educate yourself and others about electrical safety, especially children who might not understand the dangers. If someone gets shocked, seek medical help immediately, even if they seem fine, because internal injuries or heart problems might not be obvious. Understanding how electricity affects the body helps explain why safety precautions are so important. From household appliances to work with electrical systems, following simple safety steps can prevent accidents and keep everyone safe.